Ever wondered how some LinkedIn posts get tons of votes and comments overnight? It's probably not just luck. Polls are one of the easiest ways to spark real conversations and boost your visibility on LinkedIn. So, why should you care about LinkedIn polls? First off, they're perfect for quick market research or gathering feedback from your network. You get honest opinions, fast, and your audience feels heard. Plus, polls are super simple to engage with. Unlike long posts, a poll only takes a click, so more people join in. And that extra engagement means your post stays visible longer and reaches a bigger crowd. Ready to create your own poll? Here's how. On your LinkedIn homepage, click Start a Post and select the poll icon. Type your question, add up to 4 answer options, and set how long you want the poll to run. Short, clear questions work best, and always keep your options concise. Timing matters too. Try posting when your audience is most active. Think mornings or right after lunch. And don't forget to tag relevant people or companies who might have an opinion. That way, your poll shows up in their feeds too, multiplying your reach. If you want even more engagement, use your poll to get feedback on something you're working on, like a new product or service. People love sharing their opinions, especially when it feels valuable. And here's a pro tip. If you want your polls to get noticed by even more real professionals, check out Media Mister. Their services can help boost your poll's visibility and attract authentic interactions, making your LinkedIn strategy even more effective. Give it a try and watch your LinkedIn engagement climb.